It goes up, creates a reset, and then gives you another full cycle of another 300 that completes a 600 pip move that they wanted to make essentially, right? And so that's what a reset is. All a reset is a way to give market makers the ability to keep going in the same direction because they're not where they want to be at yet. So, a couple things to keep in mind about market maker resets. The first thing is literally what I just said. Resets happen when market makers need to go further than 3 times ADR in one direction. Most resets happen after confirming a peak formation and going 1 times ADR, meaning that once you have this peak formation low here that you see on Euro JPY, they go up 1 times ADR. So basically, they go up 100 pips, right? And then instead of keeping the trend going up, right? Because you're on a everybody thinks that you're in a new uptrend. They don't. They drop it and they break past the peak formation low. You know that's a reset. So in order for a reset to be valid, it must break the previous peak formation. So meaning that in order for this reset to be a good reset, price action has to go down and break below that the peak formation low that's there. So it has to break this peak formation low for it to be valid. So what would happen if, let's say, price action goes right back down to that same PFL and then actually goes up, right? Why would that happen? The reason why that would happen is because market makers didn't have enough liquidity, enough people selling to make the buy move that they originally wanted. So basically, they made a full cycle. They went up to level 1 and they realized, hey, we don't have enough volume, enough liquidity right now, enough people selling to continue to move up. We need to go back down and tag the peak formation low again so we can get more traders selling, thinking that it's a continuation of a trend to keep going down. But as soon as they get down to that peak formation low, they finally get the liquidity that they wanted, and then they can actually reverse in the original direction that they wanted to go to.